If you're seeing a GOG HTTP Error 503, don't worry, because in most cases, this is not a permanent problem, and it can usually be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the best step-by-step solutions so you can get back into GOG Galaxy or the GOG website as fast as possible. We'll start with the simplest fix first, then move through the most effective troubleshooting steps for when the issue is caused by servers, your connection, or the app itself. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and gaming tips. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is wait and try again. A 503 error often means the service is temporarily unavailable, so the best fix may simply be giving it some time. Wait around 5 to 30 minutes, then refresh the page or try opening GOG again. If the problem was caused by temporary server overload, this alone may fix it. Next, check the server status to see whether GOG is having a widespread outage. Open your browser and go to downdetector.com/status/gog-com. This page can help you confirm whether other users are reporting the same issue. If there's a spike in reports, the problem is likely on GOG's side, which means you may just need to wait until their servers recover. If the status looks normal, move on to restarting GOG Galaxy or your browser. On Windows, open Task Manager, find GOG Galaxy in the list, right-click it, and choose End Task. This fully closes the app and clears any stuck background process. After that, reopen GOG Galaxy and try again. If you were using the browser instead, close the tab completely, reopen your browser, and try loading GOG.com once more. Another important step is checking your internet connection. Even if other websites are loading, GOG may still fail if your connection is unstable or slow. Try restarting your Wi-Fi router or switch to a different network if possible. If you're on mobile hotspot, you can also test another internet source to see whether the error disappears. You should also disable any VPN or proxy service you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes trigger connection blocks or make GOG servers reject the request, which can lead to HTTP 503 errors. Turn off your VPN, disable your proxy if it's enabled, and then try connecting again. This is especially important if the error started after changing network settings or using a privacy tool. If the launcher still gives you trouble, try using the browser version instead. Open GOG.com directly in your web browser and sign in there. Sometimes the issue affects GOG Galaxy only, while the website works normally. If the browser loads correctly, that tells you the problem is more likely with the launcher and with your account or the service itself. By following these steps in order, you can usually fix GOG HTTP Error 503 without wasting time guessing. Start with the quick retry method, check the server status, restart the app, verify your internet, disable VPN or proxy connections, and test GOG in a browser. And remember, if the issue is on GOG's end, the best fix is often simply waiting until their service come back online. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy gaming error fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.